Finished yet? We want to send you the stylish carrying case. You get the 4 hot stamps, 4 fun hot cues, and the carrying case, all for $10. You can call today or log on to hotstamps.com. Must be 18 or older to order.
You get crazy bird.
Smokey just gave me a bear hug. There it is, the island of Andros.
On this island is a bunch of watery caves that go deep underground. They're called blue holes.
Some people say that a water monster lives in these blue holes, and a few people claim to
Silly
see
bird.
Like Val Exton, she says that when she was a kid, she came face to face with the water monster.
Can you tell me what happened?
We were diving.
She was swimming in a blue hole one day with her brothers. She decided to dive down, deep into the water.
I went very deeply.
Suddenly, she thought she saw something swimming after her. At first, she thought it might be one of her brothers.
Wait! He's walking ahead!
Years later.
I told my son, he said, Mommy, just
Oh, silly bird.
and it's right there.
You can spell it like this. You should go like that. Whack!
And I had for me. Then you would never, ever
Oh, silly bird.
What could